Hey guys, this is Silent. Welcome to this super exclusive episode of Make a Difference Today series. Make a Difference Today series में आप सभी का स्वागत है। और आज का जो एपिसोड होने वाला है उसमें हम लोग डिस्कस करने वाले हैं नंबर वन सीक्रेट ऑफ सक्सेस, और इवन यू कैन कॉल इट नंबर वन सीक्रेट ऑफ सक्सेसफुल पीपल. एंड दैट पर्टिकुलर क्वालिटी इज समथिंग व्हाट आई कॉल as using the criticism, using the negativity as a fuel towards your action, towards your inspiration, towards your motivation, and towards your success, and so on. बिकॉज आज तक आपने जितने भी सक्सेसफुल लोग देखे हैं इन टर्म्स ऑफ एनी ऑफ द फील्ड, उन्होंने कभी ना कभी अपनी लाइफ में नेगेटिव क्रिटिसिज्म फेस किया होगा, कभी ना कभी फेलियर्स फेस किए होंगे, कभी ना कभी कुछ ना कुछ और नेगेटिव फेस किया होगा. एंड व्हाट ऑल दे डू is that they take those negative things, they take those negative aspects और उनको पॉजिटिविटी में कन्वर्ट करते हैं, वो पॉजिटिव फ्यूल में कन्वर्ट करते हैं. कि लेट्स अज्यूम फॉर एग्जांपल व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड माय ओन ट्रेडिंग जर्नी, everybody around me told me that you can't do this, you are not meant to be a trader or an investor, because my background is something like I come from a humble middle class background, जिसके चलते we didn't had even the capability to make the ends meet, right? तो वहां से लेकर अब तक की जर्नी, although I'm grateful to the universe, I'm grateful to God for giving me every single thing, every single opportunity which I have got so far. ड्यूरिंग द जर्नी काफी सारे अप्स एंड डाउन्स आए, काफी सारा क्रिटिसिज्म मिला, काफी सारा डिमोटिवेशन फेस करने को मिला, बट एट दैट इंस्टेंस ऑफ टाइम माय विल पावर was absolutely stronger than that negative criticism or demotivation or whatsoever you call. So at that instance of time you have to choose कि यार क्या मेरे गोल्स, क्या मेरा पर्पस, क्या मेरा विजन स्ट्रॉन्गर है, क्या मुझे उसको डोमिनेंट होने देना है, या फिर जो लोग मुझे क्रिटिसाइज कर रहे हैं, जो मुझे नेगेटिविटी में ले जा रहे हैं, एंड सो ऑन. Right? Because if you notice minutely, then almost next to 95 till 97% of the people in this world don't achieve whatever goals or dreams they have set for themselves, just because उनके पास विल पावर नहीं होता है, उनके पास वो एक पर्पस नहीं होता है कि यार आज मैं उठ रहा हूं तो मैं क्या काम करूंगा, आज अगर मैं काम कर रहा हूं तो काम क्यों कर रहा हूं, what's the end reason for that, what's the journey which I'm going to go through, and so on. So at that instance of time you have to realize what is my purpose, what are my dreams, what are my goals, and what is the overall difference which I can create in this particular world, and many other things as well. And mark my words, जब भी आपको ये clarity मिल जाए कि यार मुझे अपनी लाइफ में क्या चाहिए, मुझे कैसे बनना है, like whether I want to become a trader or an investor, if I want to become a businessman, entrepreneur, or whatsoever, तो ड्यूरिंग दैट पर्टिकुलर जर्नी आपको कितना भी नेगेटिव क्रिटिसिज्म आ जाए, कितने भी लोग आपको डिमोटिवेट कर दें, कितने भी लोग आपको ये बोल दें कि यार तुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा, यू कांट डू दिस, और यू आर श्योरली गोना बी अ फेलियर इन दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग, एंड सो ऑन, you will automatically start avoiding those people, and you will automatically start getting attracted towards your purpose, your vision, your dreams, and many other things as well. And all of those things will actually help you to get attached with positive minded people, mentors, gurus, books, and many other things as well. So that's what this overall thing is all about, and that's what the number one success mantra of, like number one mantra of any of the successful people is all about, is that they use the negative energy, negative criticism, and demotivation towards fueling their vision, their purpose, and so on. And I hope that you are absolutely clear with this particular concept as well, and I look forward to see you in the next one. Till then, please do make sure that whatever takeaways you had so far from this particular episode, do share below in the comment section, and I look forward to see you in upcoming episodes. Do check out our podcast series, do check out our technical episodes, and do check out our Make a Difference Today series itself, because आपको काफी कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा with respect to high performance, with respect to personal development in terms of podcast, and in terms of technical Saturdays and weekly mastermind. You are going to get absolute clarity about trading and investing. And Make a Difference Today series से आपका mindset जो है वो absolute shift हो जाएगा, not just as a trader or an investor, but as a human being, so as to create a bigger difference, right? So that's what this overall video was all about, and I look forward to see you in the next one. Please do make sure that you share this particular video with at least one friend of yours, and hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I look forward to see you in the next one. Till then, live fully, love openly, and make the difference today. I wish you joy and abundance in all you do.